finding it?
I'm just remembering what I heard.
Did you go down the rows to find it, or how did you
I'm
look
just
for
looking to the cross, looking for certain number of dots and dashes I heard.
it? Okay. Might be helpful to go by each row. Next letter.
E,
Mm-hmm. So what do you have
V.
so far? Mm-hmm.
R,
Spell it out.
V-E-R,
Mm-hmm. Good.
T,
Mm-hmm.
V-E-R-T, E, V-E-R-T, X, V-E-R-T-E-X,
Good.
vertex. I was tempted to say it.
You knew it was coming, didn't you? I could see you started to do it. What is that word? What's the definition of that word?
A vertex is a corner of a triangle or shape.
Right, so could you show me the vertex on this and this?
A vertex is an angle. Cones don't really have an angle to them.
Yeah, true.
They can have a point.
Mm-hmm.
This, count up the vertexes, would be 8.
Where's the highest vertex? Let me put it down like this.
Highest vertex is the dot.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And sometimes that's the definition of it. If you look at a mountain and the highest vertex would be the highest point.
Yes, vertex, the highest point.
Mm-hmm. So on here, it could be,
The highest point,
Mhm.
the top,
Could be that.
top of the cone.
mm-hmm. So you're thinking about geometry. What's the definition of geometry?
I don't know, I'm not in geometry.
Well, you already were saying it.
The highest point,
You were saying something about,
all the angles.
yeah, when the angles come together. Mm-hmm, that's right. Good. So can you give me either one? Either the one from here or the one from geometry?
A sentence.
No, a definition.
Okay. Definition. I saw the big mountain's vertex.
Okay, that's a good sentence. What's your definition of that?
My definition is the highest point on a shape.
Okay, that works. Another definition would be this. The very top of the head. So they use that in anatomy and zoology, the crown or the top of the head. That's another meaning for it too. So you can think about which sentence you want to give for it. Now would you write it on the board? What's the spelling of it again?
V-E-R-T-X.
And cursive, please. And Philip, why don't you stand up to do it? You don't have to do it down at the bottom. You're a tall young man. Oh, you look good. about the
Oh,
next two. Good, good, good.
Her.
Back to your R page.
Her.
Good, good.
T. Tim.
Mm-hmm. You make that a name. That's better.
M. E.
Think about how it sounds.
X.
Mm-hmm.
E. Exit.
Think about that first vowel page. A, apron, apple. E, even,
Effort.
yes.
And X. I don't got the X yet.
The X is on the page that has all the consonants. And there's two of them. Example's one of them. And then what's the other one that sounds like vertex? What comes after X? The Y, Z. Can you picture those words? Let's back up a little bit then. Go back to, you have T. V, do you know V?
Van.
Yeah, I got van.
Exact.
No, it comes at the end of it. So you got van.
Cortex.
No. Let's just go back to that page. You're at van. What's W? And then you're at X. Anything coming to you?
Win.
Now it's X at the end.
Sex.
No, but that's very close. Let's leave it, and you can think about it. And when you analyze it, see if you can still be thinking of it.
Fix.
Close. It's that idea. You want to spend a little more time on it, or you want to do it for homework?
Trying to think of it.
Okay.
Luminous.
No. I appreciate your effort, Philip.
I'm trying to think of everything that starts with
I
X.
know you
I
are.
can't think
It
right
doesn't,
now.
it doesn't
X.
start with X, it ends with X.
Oh, ends with X. Yeah, I can't think of anything else that ends with X.
Well, why don't you give it a little break and do it for homework and see if you can come up with it. You can do those maybe from 10 on in your mind. And maybe, you know, as you do them, it'll come to you. R, can you remember the R?
Right,
Right.
right.
So might be you need to review that page. So you're looking for the X. Now can you give me a sentence with vertex? You did before when I asked for the definition.
The mountain had a big mountain had a large vertex.
Okay. All right. So that meant the highest point. All right. And right behind you some mountains. So if you look at those mountains, where would the vertex be on there, the highest vertex?
Right on the top.
Yeah. So when they say vertex, they mean the highest point. Very good.